Hey guys, so welcome to the Super Games. We are a comprehensive Web3 entertainment hub. We offer various entertainment sources like movies, game streaming, Web3 gameplay under one roof. A user can enjoy a seamless experience by accessing Web3 games, a vast movie library, and interactive gameplay streaming all in one place. So key features for our app includes Web3 game integration. We try to include most of the basic Web3 games into our app as we move forward. Movie streaming, we have various plans like free movies, basic movies, and premium movies. As user subscribes to our platform, introduce some of the subscription plans. According to those subscription plan, a user can access the platform in various ways and also we offer like gameplay streaming and watching those streams inside our platform too. Like you can create a stream, broadcast that, and watch all in one place. For that, you have to subscribe for the premium plan in the subscriptions. So we're on a mission to redefine the future of the online entertainment through the seamless integration of Web3 technology, fostering a community where users can access a world of entertainment possibilities under one unified platform. So as Web3 gaming will move ahead, there is a need to create explore and access the Web3 games with the ease. So we'll try to integrate most of the Web3 games. Like user can subscribe to our platform and play most of the Web3 games, basic Web3 games under one roof. Use in-game currencies, share in-game assets with another, and all stuff like that. So market analysis like rising Web3 and crypto market, unique competitive edge, all-in-one entertainment hub, subscription monetization, community and engagement. Also one feature that I like to know, we just added some what called like users will be able to get paid when they upload content to our platform according to the views their content had earned. So we'll be introducing this feature in the future. We have just added some function like movie plays that will create increase the plays on the content uploaded by a user. So we'll be transferring some of the monetization amount to them. So let's just get to our platform overview. So this is the demo video for the Super Games. We provide the ultimate experience in the entertainment field. So we're using Superfluid Base and Live Peer. I'll just get started, connect my wallet. So currently it shows my connected wallet and I am unsubscribed here. So as I went to movies, I am only able to watch free movies. I can browse them using the Live Peer. Like this, you can show the movies. And for the game section, please subscribe to the Play Games. And for stream section, it also shows the please subscribe to the premium plan. So I'll just subscribe to the premium plan to get all the advantages. If I subscribe, it will show the exact amount. For different pricing, it has a different amounts. I'll just subscribe to this premium plan. Just continue my stream. Wait for it to get started. As I've confirmed my purchase, I can see the stream going on. So when I refresh that gaming tab, now I am able to see the games and play some games here. Streams, I can see the all available streams. Like currently, no, none of the stream is live, so we can't see that live tag. In the movies, now you can see that I have opened all the available premium movies, basic movies, and free movies. I can watch them. Watch them. This and for in the pricing, you can see in the premium plan, you can add your content and create onboard the live stream. So I'll just go and add a movie. Like this one is the event to describe. Yeah. And I'll just grab a sample image from here. I'll add this movie in the premium section. Not content or live tier. Only premium user is able to upload the stream, upload the content to the platform, and create streams to show one, to show you one by one how to do those stuff. So as you can see that video has been uploaded on the live PR. Now I just uploaded on my contract also. Sign a transaction. Transaction successful. Uh, I just refresh the page. You can see that two of the free movies are now available. I can just stream videos. Similar way, I can create streams. I'll enter a stream name like this one. Stream, stream image URI. Just create a stream. So what I have to do is I have to copy this stream and broadcast the stream. So now, if I want to see a stream, I have to just add it to my OBS. I can stream where I can stream from my source library studio. I'll just change the stream key and apply it. And okay. So going back to our website, in the stream tabs now you'll be able to see the third stream also. New stream. If I just start streaming to the stream, so I'm live now. You can see it refreshing the page. You can see this live tag now because the stream is live. I can play the stream. Stop the streaming. The stream's offline now. So yes, guys, this is the app, and also playing some games now. And you can just stream out your key. This one is by I can also cancel my streams from here. Just cancel the stream. So yes, I'm done with this. Like, now you have to subscribe to premium plan to watch the streams. You can't play the games. In the movies tab, you only browse free movies and also profile tab it shows now unsubscribe to you. So, thank you guys.